Welcome to another class with Teacher Collins. This time around, we are going to do mathematics, halving of numbers. How to find the half of a number. Take for example, if we are given the number 4, half of 4, the number for which you can add to itself, that is, if you add that same number to have 4, and if we want to get half of 4, it should be 2 plus 2. That gives us 4. It means 2 is the half of 4. Again, if we take 4 divided by 2, we shall still have 2. So, to look for a half, the half of a number, we divide that number by 2. We divide the number by 2. But since we have not treated division, I'm going to show you another method which will be more easier to do the division of, or to find the half of a number. Okay, when we are finding the half of a number, the tenth of that number, take for example, if we want to look at the half of 96. We look at the nearest 10 whole number that can come out from 96, and the nearest 10 here is 90. So this 96 will be 90 plus 6. 90 plus 6. So we discover that it is very easier for us to have the half of 90 and the half of 6. This one will be equal to, we now go to halving, which will be 90 divided by 2, or which number can you add to itself to have 90? When we look at the number 45 plus 45, we shall have 90. So the half of 90 is 45. And then the half of 6 is 3. So 45 plus 3, which gives me 48. So the half of 96 is 48. And how do I trace to show that my answer is correct? Let me take 48 times 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Again, we always write our answer in our rough work column, and then we look at the number we write first. We write 6 first, and we reserve 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 we reserve 9. So you discover that we are back to 96. So to find the half of a number, we first of all look at the nearest 0 digit to that number, which is slightly lower than the number given. Like in the case of 96, 90 is the nearest 0 number that is slightly lower than the number given. And then we divide that 90 by 2, and then we take the remainder again divided by 2. Let us take the second example. Find the half of 64. The half of 64. Rather, 64. 64 will be equal to 60 plus 4. So, this follows that halving 64, we shall have that the half of 60 is 30, and the half of 4 is 2. So plus 2. This gives me 32. I take the next example. The half of 108. 108. This will be equal to 100 plus 8. It follows that the half of 100, or halving 100, we shall have 50, and the half of 8 is 4. So plus 4. It means the half of 108 is 54. So beloved student, that is how the easiest method to find the half of a number. Now let's take this example. We have footwear, and then we have the cost price. So the first one, shoes, it is $56. The next one is slippers. It is $42. Let me end here. The first question, find the price of 2 pair of shoes. Find the price of 2 pair of shoes. Now, when they talk of the price of 2 pair of shoes, we started this topic with doubling. It means 1 pair of shoe is $56. What if we have a double pair of shoe? That is 2. Double means 2. So a double pair of shoe, it means we multiply the number by 2. And then find half the price of that shoe. It means we find half $56. So let's do the example here. The cost price of the shoe is 56. So we have $56, and then the price for double, so it follows that double will be equal to 56 times 2. Again, we go to our rough column. We have 56 multiplied by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. We write 2 and we reserve 1. 2 times 5 is 10 plus the 1 we reserve 11. So we write 1 and we write 1 outside. It shows that our answer is $112. $112. The next one, for slippers, we have $42. Double will be equal to 42 by 2. Again, 42 multiplied by 2. I said always put it in your rough column. Check your answer before you come and write it. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 times 4 is 8. So we have $84. Full stop. Okay. What if we want to check half the price? Half the price means we are halving the price of the shoe. So we have the first one, 56. Again, $56. 56. It follows that half or halving will be equal to, we have 50 plus 6, which gives us 56. And the half of 56 of the half of 50 is 25, and the half of 6 is 3. So plus 3. So 25 plus 3 is 28. So we have $28. Okay, the next one is $42. That's the price of surplus. So we have here $42. 42. So 42 will be 40 plus 2. It follows that halving will be equal to the half of 40. Which number can we add to itself to give us 40 is 20. And which number can we add to itself to give us 2 is 1. So 20 plus 1, which gives me $21. $21. So, beloved students, these are examples. The table is on your notes and the exercises as I've solved. Please follow the same exercise and do the other ones which are there. Then look at the exercises, page 71, 72 of the textbook. Do that in your notebook. And then exercise 30, 31 of your workbook. Do that inside the workbook. God bless you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.